Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6th, 2025, and we're diving into Vistra's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Vistra has had an eventful quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Great. Let's get started with an overview of Vistra's performance this quarter. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Vistra reported a net income of $652 million for the third quarter of 2025. However, this is a significant decrease compared to last year. John, can you explain what's behind this drop?
Absolutely. The decrease in net income, which is down by $1,185 million year over year, is primarily due to lower unrealized mark-to-market gains on derivative positions, which decreased by $1,671 million. Additionally, there were impacts from the Martin Lake Unit 1 outage. However, these were partially offset by the recognition of nuclear production tax credit revenue and higher capacity prices.
And how did their revenue and profitability fare?
Vistra's operating revenues for the quarter were $4.971 billion. Despite the challenges, their ongoing operations adjusted EBITDA increased by $143 million compared to the same period last year, reaching $1,581 million. This was driven by higher realized energy and capacity prices, along with the nuclear PTC revenue.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of $1.20. How did Vistra perform in this regard?
Vistra met the expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.20 for the quarter. This alignment with analyst forecasts is a positive indicator, showing that the company is maintaining its financial guidance and market expectations.
That's good to hear. Meeting expectations is crucial for maintaining investor confidence. Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Vistra has also been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us about their recent initiatives and future outlook?
Vistra has narrowed its 2025 guidance for ongoing operations adjusted EBITDA to a range of $5.7 billion to $5.9 billion and initiated 2026 guidance at $6.8 billion to $7.6 billion. They've also authorized an additional $1 billion in share repurchases expected to be utilized by year-end 2027. Furthermore, they're expanding their capacity with plans to build 2 new natural gas power units, totaling 860 megawatts in West Texas.
It seems like they're positioning themselves well for future growth.
Indeed, these initiatives, along with their comprehensive hedging program, underscore their commitment to growth and meeting power demand needs.
Clean energy investments and market position. Vistra is also making strides in clean energy. What can you tell us about their investments in this area?
Vistra is strategically growing its zero-carbon resources, focusing on nuclear, solar, and energy storage. They've begun construction on the Newton Solar and Energy Storage Facility and achieved commercial operations for a new 200-megawatt solar facility in Texas, supported by a PPA with Amazon. Their liquidity remains strong at $3.705 billion, and they've hedged 98% of their expected generation volumes for 2025.
That's impressive. It seems like they're well prepared to tackle the challenges of the energy transition.
Absolutely. Their focus on clean energy and strategic partnerships positions them well in the evolving energy landscape.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Vistra's third quarter results show a company that's navigating challenges while strategically positioning itself for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Vistra's performance this quarter, particularly meeting EPS expectations and their strategic initiatives in clean energy and capacity expansion, highlight their resilience and forward-thinking approach. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of these plans.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Vistra's performance in the comments below.